Alright, here we go. We're going to call this my first attempt at real lost bone casting. So my other attempt sucked. We got something neat buried in here. We're going to pour some liquid aluminum from my ingots. Alright, here we go. Watch it, sweetie.
I think it's full.
Filled a bit.
Oh God, babe.
That's okay. These buckets were $2. Mental note: higher sand next time.
Can we scrape that off?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
It worked.
Yep.
Alright, shut it off. Okay. Well, here we are at what I think is my first successful lost foam cast. We'll find out. Let me see what's inside. Look at that! Look at that! It worked! We're brilliant! Fuck yeah! I can feel the metal vibrating. Fuck yeah, bitches. Edit that out.
End it?
No. Yeah. Not bad. See, it fell a little in here, and it's looks a little rough, but that's okay. Fucking sword.
Dagger.
Fucking A. All right, turn it off.